Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to disable automatic updates on Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. Disabling automatic updates on Windows 11 can be done in several ways, but the best way to disable automatic updates on Windows 11 is using Group Policy Editor. Search for GPEdit, and open Group Policy Editor. Now, open the Manage and User Experience folder in the following path. Now, double-click to open the Configure Automatic Updates policy. Choose the Disabled option to disable automatic Windows Update permanently. Click the Apply button, then click the OK button. Once you complete the steps, Windows Update will no longer download and install system updates automatically on Windows 11. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.